only hope that we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse.
Hi everybody, my name is Jeff. I'm the executive portfolio producer for the Disneyland Resort for Walt Disney Imagineering, and I'm so excited to welcome you back to our reimagined Mickey's Toontown. Let's go for a tour. Here in Centennial Park, the heart of the land, is this beautiful fountain featuring Mickey and Minnie, which invites kids of all ages to come up and play and splash and enjoy the water. This is the arts district of Mickey's Toontown, anchored by the El Capitan Theater. But one of my favorite parts here would be the food. Cafe Daisy and Good Boy Grocers offer some of the most delicious delectables in all of Disneyland. One of my favorite parts of this transformation are these beautiful open green spaces where you can enjoy your own perfect picnic on a beautiful day here at Disneyland. Here on the neighborhood side of Mickey's Toontown is where you'll see Minnie's house and Mickey's house. Mickey has been good enough to let us come on into his house, so let's go for a little tour in here. Mickey is a very modest mouse, but has very great taste. He's got a warm, inviting atmosphere you'll see as you go through his house. This is the upstairs, of course, one of Mickey's favorite pictures of him and Walt. This is where Mickey, relaxes, unwinds at the end of the day with his best pal Pluto, right by the fire. Being the busy but classic mouse that he is, he's still got an answering machine. He is very technologically advanced, but he loves the classics. Mickey's also pretty worldly. He loves music. He's got his Mouseway player piano here to entertain his guests. How embarrassing, we caught him on laundry day. Sorry, I don't know if Mickey meant for us to go this way, so we'll just continue on through. And we're heading out to Mickey's barn. This is where Mickey does a lot of his movies, a lot of his filmings. And so we get to walk this way into what's usually a closed set, but Mickey's been gracious enough to let us in. Through the other side of this projection room is the screening area, and then you go on to meet Mickey. He's a very busy star, but he always takes time for his guests. Come on into Minnie's house. Minnie is the gracious hostess who has let us in to her place, and this honestly is one of the sweetest, most relaxing, welcoming spaces. This is her living room, the place where she relaxes. Minnie's got, of course, being the stylish mouse that she is, has got her makeup area all set up. She's also very busy answering emails. Minnie is known for making some of Mickey's favorite pies, but it leaves a ton of dishes, and so the dishwasher is one of my favorite pieces in here. Here in Goofy's How-To Play Yard, we have got a ton of new play and interactive experiences for you that Goofy's set out for everybody. We've got a sound garden here, some really fun roller slides, and he even built Max his own fort that we get to go explore. Goofy is such a good friend. When he found an opportunity to make candy for his friends, he had to take advantage of it. So he's collected honey from a honey hive on the outside of the house. In a very goofy way that only he could, he's used what he had around here and some household appliances to become candy makers. So here, he's cooking candy, he's coloring, he's flavoring candy, and sorting it for all his friends. Here at Donald's Duck Pond, you can see the duck with all the bad luck has crashed his boat onto Goofy's homestead. Huey, Dewey, Louie, and Webby are in there trying to get the water out, and you can help. Thank you all so much for joining me on this tour. We can't wait to see you here in Mickey's Toontown. See you real soon.
Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.